The city of Jackson remains under a state of emergency. The mayor said earlier today the city was taking on more rain than it could handle. It is pouring right now, and the wind is picking up just a little bit. Now, if you take a look over here, you can see some puddles and a little bit of ponding, but it's nothing like we saw earlier. We saw flash flooding as high as mailboxes. Flash flooding was also a common sight in Belhaven and Jim Hill High School areas. Throughout the metro, rescues and evacuations took place.
As we deal with the severe weather that we're confronted with, it is important that our citizens take every precaution to be safe. We want them to make intelligent decisions. We want them to make safe decisions.
City and county leaders warn you not to drive through standing water. Melanie and Byron, back to you.